All right, guys, quick little video today. I want to talk to you about this product right here. It's called the Rachect rope, or rope ratchet, I'm sorry. And it's a simple little device. And let me see if I can, I don't think I can do it because I'm one-handed. But anyway, what you do is you hook what you want, you pull on one side, it locks, and it holds things in place. And then when you're ready to go, you can release it. It has a release right here, and it releases the rope. Simple device. I use it a lot. There's just so many uses for this thing. It's called the Rachect rope. This one has 150 pounds. They do make them in different sizes. And, you know, they work great. I know there's bungee cords, there's ratchet straps. I also have some of those, but this is really one of my go-to favorite things. And I have like 10 of these damn things all over the place. And they're great. I mean, you know, holding stuff down in the back of the truck, holding stuff out of your way, holding hoses out of your way, holding things up just enough to let you get in and do something and then get out. Can't say enough about these little suckers. They're amazing. I love them. And it's called the rope ratchet. Anyway, quick little video. Thanks for watching, and like everybody says, please subscribe. You know, everybody's looking for subscribers, right? Appreciate it. Thank you for watching very much.